going to take this wheel cover off before we remove the wheel. Just use a 19mm socket. Loosen up these plastic covers. All right, slide that hubcap off and take the 19mm socket, take the lug nuts off and pull the wheel off. I'm going to take a little rust penetrant spray, just spray this nut down, let it soak for a little bit. All right, now I'm going to take this nut off. I'll use a 18mm socket to break it loose. And the stud's spinning, so what I'm going to have to do is use a wrench. Now I'm going to use an 18mm wrench and a T35 to hold the stud from spinning. You can also take some locking pliers and on the back side of here, try to lock the stud from spinning. Just like that. So this nut, I'm struggling to get it off. I could heat it up with a torch. What I'm actually going to do is take a whizzer or a grinder, and I'm just going to slice the nut a little bit. I just have to be careful of hitting the strut. I don't want to hit the strut. Now I'll just take the socket, and hopefully the stud doesn't spin anymore. It comes right off. There we go, got it off. I'm gonna grab under the control arm and just raise up a little bit. Grab the link and just slide it out. After that's out, then this whole assembly is gonna drop down a little bit. Just be careful, you don't want it to drop too far. You don't wanna mess up the CV shaft. If it goes too far, you can support the lower control arm with a floor jack. All right, since we struggled getting the top nut off, what I'm gonna do is just grab the link from the top, and I'm just going to pull it down and pull the ball and socket off. And that just pops out like that. Now I can grab onto this with some locking pliers. I'll just put some locking pliers right here. Spray a little rust penetrant on the nut. Take an 18mm wrench and loosen it up. Now I'll switch to a ratchet wrench, take the nut off. And there we go. Get the nut off and pull the stud right out. Take the new sway bar link, put the stud through the bottom, through the sway bar, take the nut, and install the nut. We'll take an 18mm wrench that's going to hold the stud, and I'll take the 18mm ratchet wrench and tighten it up. Then if you can get a torque wrench in there, we're going to torque this to 48 foot-pounds. Now I'll take the sway bar link. You might have to adjust the stud down a little bit so you can get it positioned. Just line this stud up. If you have to use a pry bar or something, press down on the link. Put the nut on. Just take an 18mm wrench, put it on the stud. Take an 18mm socket. I'm just going to snug this up first. And torque this to 46 foot-pounds. After you're done this job, you want to make sure you go to a local garage to have the vehicle aligned so you don't have premature tire wear. Install the wheel. I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern so that the wheel gets tightened down evenly. Just going to go around again, double check. All right, line up the hubcap. And just take the socket and tighten these down. Just do it by hand, otherwise you're going to strip these out.